I like my acting too. Sorry, it was trying to be funny. Okay. Thank you, Pratap. Thanks for the compliment. Yes, Shivam, you're right. As a doctor, I don't rely on technology too much, but now I'll start relying because it's actually very good, very nice. Uh, Technology just have to press one button, go live, and you are live and interacting with such nice, good, great people like you. Hi, Harshika. Thank you. We love you too. Oh, I love you too. Who are we? As in, Harshika, you said we love you. So, who are the others? Please let me know. I am looking at the messages for your reply. Siddhant says, क्या आपको एंटरटेन मांगता है मांगता है Yes, even I love that dialogue. क्या मांगता है entertainment मांगता है I love it. I love saying these lines. And thank you, Arya. If you feel I am looking handsome, I think I'm mediocre looking being, but yes, maybe the hat is doing the trick. Yeah, I have long hair, so to adjust, I have to wear this hat. Uh, Thank you, Nishal, for loving my work. Thank you, Sunil Rawatji. You have a good name, Sunil. I love this name. Uh, Thank you, Varun. Thanks to your mom also, Varun. Thank you, Sam. And thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, my friend. This is a great way to connect, actually. So, are there any people from Chandigarh as well? Okay, I'll show you a painting which is on the right here, if you understand this. And my face is brought to you by this light. Priyanka. Yeah, thanks for liking the song. मेरे husband मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. My husband मुझको प्यार नहीं करते. जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया. Okay. Thank you, Danish. You seem to know me for a while. Chala Lallan Hero Banne, yes. That the kind of first show on TV which I did. Thank you, Arya. I mentioned your name for the third time. And because Arya is a name, I studied in Arya Vidya Mandir school. So I relate with it. Thanks, Devansh. Devansh. I'll introduce, some new characters as well. But tell me if you don't like the characters that I'm doing. Thank you, Prakhar. Thank you so much, my friend, for the compliment. This is actually a extremely nice medium to connect with you all. I'll use it more often now. मुदित संतोष के भैया मुझे प्यार नहीं करते. Yes, he doesn't love me. नहीं करता है प्यार. Thank you, Shivani. In regards to your mother-in-law and father-in-law and everyone. Yes, I will do Dharampaji's take-off mimicry. I love it. I love him and I love doing his impersonation. Thank you, Ankesh, for the compliment. Thank you, Sajal. Oh, if I inspire you, I don't know how I inspire you, but thank you for getting inspired from me. I hardly know anything, but if you love me so much, thanks for the love. Love you too. Hello, Anmol. Thank you for the love. Anubhav says, मेरे husband मुझको प्यार नहीं करते. I think you're referring to that song which I recently sang. I mean, singing I can't do, but yes, I understand what you mean. Thank you. Thanks, Sheetal, for watching our show in Canada. And सर आई लव यू सब बोलते हैं लेकिन हम तो आपको ऐसे ही देखना चाहते हैं महादेव की कृपा हो आप पर शुक्रिया अजय आप पर भी महादेव की कृपा हो I will do Anup some Himachali character sometime. Yes, I have some friends from Himachal, so I kind of know little accent, and I love Himachal as a state. It's the most beautiful state. There are mountains and greenery and weather. I love it. Yes, I am coming to North Country Mall, Chandigarh tomorrow at 7 p.m. So if you are from Chandigarh, so you can please come and watch the show in Mohali tomorrow. Yes, and yes, tickets are available on Book My Show. Nisha, thank you for liking the character Gulati, and the new song is awesome. Thank you, Nisha. Thank you for liking. And regards to your mother also, since you mentioned that your mother is a fan, give regards. She's a very, very sensible lady. Thank you, Neeraj, for waiting for my entry. Yes, Vaibhav, I can do something in Gulati's voice. Yes, Mahinder, I look different in my real life and real life because there I'm primarily a man. I weigh about 76 kilos. So, as a woman, I love being a woman actually. I think women are way better than men. So, I feel very nice when I become a woman. Thank you, Nishant. Thank you, Nishant. See you tomorrow in the show, yes. Thanks, Rajesh, for calling me oxygen. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm a gas. I'm not a Dr. Piyush, yes.